I heard some rattling noise when I hit the bumps or the speed amps or speed bumps. I don't know what it is, but could be my suspension. Maybe my suspension wearing off. Maybe. Just maybe. But I don't have any idea why I get rattle when I hit bumps. Really bad rattle. Really weird rattling noise coming from under. This big boy is sick.